It's almost that time again. Summer is well underway, the days are hot, but the breeze is cool by the sea. Everything is ready for that special time of year. Inferno of Sounds opens its doors August 7th to 9th, 2026, on the islands of Tolfalthui and Tol Lohul. Welcome to the iOS 2026.
Hi friends, it's me, Sorcha. Yes, as Bridalia already said, it's that time again. The whole team has been working hard, putting up posters, handing out flyers, stacking beer kegs, organizing treats and snacks, and getting everything ready. Pack your bags for the trip to Orcrist. We can't wait to see you.
We'd like to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt thanks to our good friends for their support.
Thanks to Ironella for organizing the casting and the lineup, and thanks to Star and Reniogil for their help with the catering. Many thanks also to Acorn, Master Zedrock, Clara, and the team at Lotro Artists. A big thank you also to Master Vethlo and Night of the Muses, who announce all the events on their Wednesday with boundless enthusiasm and lots of love. Thanks also to all the bands and everyone who helped make this event possible. We wish everyone an unforgettable vacation filled with fun and music at iOS 2026.
You can find us in Lord of the Rings Online, on the Orcrist server, in Belfalas, in the settlement of Calardor, and on the islands of Tolfalthui and Tol Lochel. And if you happen to run into two dim-witted hobbits named Foodie and Blim while you're out and about, do not take them with you. Thank you.
Bridalia!